Last Warsaw, we invited local government representatives, and we were honored to have the presence of Mayor of Norway, Mr. Erling, President of the European Commission. Our many members take part in the annual Lobby Day held in DC on November 7th. Annually, committee members take turns preparing delicious food to raise funds for our organization. And luckily, we raised fairly sizable funds. And last year, second Milan National Assembly Colorado, the Tibetan community was blessed with the presence of the highest second bishops in the members. The Tibetan Charter Collection is an ongoing process with all its challenges. We have a board members there's a special challenge, and we will be very able to get this successful with the countries from opposite Tibet. We were able to create more than 15 new game books among the current environments.
Recite this prayer for the long life of Devi 14 Dalai. So the first line is Kharira Veko Shikantir. So how do Tibetans define our own land? So we say Kharira Veko. It is in English roughly land surrounded by so much religious. So Tibet, there are several plateaus in the world. Tibet is the highest plateau in the world. That is why we call ourselves the heavenly land surrounded by so much religious. Now, it's not enough to say land surrounded by so much religious. We have to explain how this land has so much religious. So in the next slide, you will find that in the south of Tibet, we have the whole Himalayas extending from Afghanistan to Burma in the south. And in the west, we have the Karakoram Range. And then in the north, we have the Golden Range, medium size of Austria. So Tibet is very big. One time when my website was in here, asked me, which is bigger, Bhutan or
And then we begin with Yuan dynasty in China. For China, where the Mongols in China, that period was called the Yuan dynasty, conquers in 16 And during that period, Tibet was ruled by the Sedepans. And unconventional our many successes. And then the Mongols were overthrown by the Mings. Mings are real Han Chinese. Han Chinese. They ruled China from 1654. During those many more than 300 years, Tibet was ruled by three dynasties. Sedepans, Kushan, Kaluga, which was roughly same. Then there was during this period in China, the Mings were overthrown by the Qings. The Qings are Manchus, they are not Chinese. If you watch Chinese people movies sometimes, if you watch Chinese people movies, they last you will find that all the protagonists are Chinese. The antagonists are all Muslims. the real Chinese? Is it only the Han Chinese, or the Mongols also Chinese, or the Tibetans also Chinese? So if Mongols are also Chinese, then China can claim half the world because as far as Chinese Tibet was the successive colonizers. This is just to give you a brief as point as our country. And then in 1951, we were forced to sign a so-called consent. At that time, communism just came way for people. China had a lot of population. And
Now we talk about what's happening inside Tibet. We in no political space whatsoever to do anything until the night of the 22, 157 Tibetans born themselves. And China says Tibet is a socialist paradise. And I told that we will go and watch themselves in paradise. And most of the people who are themselves in paradise have something to say. They have